Okay, welcome back. Up on the bench is a 2005 4L60E GM. This is from a Jimmy, so it has the 5-bolt transfer case adapter. And this was pulled for a rebuild because we have lost third and fourth gear. So we're going to crack it open, see what the insides look like, and then go from there, figure out what's needed parts-wise. We'll focus on getting the shift servo out. We'll pull out our shift servo, which is stuck in the board. Oh, there we go. We'll get our neutral safety switch and shift lever arm off. Now with that off, we get to the pan. Yeah, you can just see it in there. There's our clutch material, metal sheen. All the clutch material comes out. Right there, you can see all that shiny, not so good clutch material. Hopefully that's just clutch pack and not metal from anything else. Pull our almost brand new filter off. Twist and pull. There's our third and fourth gear. All that nastiness. We'll get our wiring harness off. This is also brand new. Then we can get access to our 210 mils. $8 wrench is needed to get this retainer off for this solenoid. We'll work on getting the valve body off now. We'll pull this whole thing off as one unit. This is our manifold pressure switch. That's brand new. Okay, so we got our valve body off, we got our separator plate off, the rest of our shift accumulators out. We did lose a couple check balls on the floor, but that's okay. We'll either find them or replace them. To avoid that, when you take your pan off, make sure the transmission is level. I am going to pull the transfer case adapter off now. Reach in from the back with a pry bar. So we'll get in here with our pry bar and we'll pry our band away from our pin. And we can pull our input drum out. A reverse band. Let's clean it up a little, make a little room for what we got going on next. We'll get our dreaded output shaft snap ring off. It's usually a pain, but I just got that second try. That never happens. We'll pull out our forward planetary. We'll go through and inspect all this. There is definitely some bluing in that bearing. Our sunshell does look fine. Well, something was cutting into it. There's a slight wear mark there from the bearing. Now we'll get our big case snap ring out. This holds our low reverse clutch pack and our center support in place. Give our output shaft a couple taps to push everything forward. And the low reverse clutch pack. sun gear, the rear planetary, and of course our output shaft. Because we're going to want to clean up and get a look at that input drum and pull it apart and check out all the clutches. Okay, so with the transmission torn apart and on the table, I went a little further and I tore apart the input drum and I found our problem. So this is our 3rd 4 clutch pack. And here's our problem. No clutch material. We got a burnt clutch there and we got a burnt clutch there. And there was all these heat marks throughout all the steels. So this 3/4 clutch pack is toast. It was slipping, that's what our problem was. And I know the story of this transmission. It was due to lack of fluid, which caused lack of line pressure, and thus our apply piston couldn't apply properly, and we burnt out our clutches that way. That's why it's so important to check all your fluids. But here are all the parts. We'll take the pump apart and we'll go through that. Cases down there. Sunshell, planetaries were all fine. Output shaft had a little bluing on the end here. Kind of hard to see, but we'll try and Scotch Brite that, or we will just replace it. Got a few spares. Our reverse drum band is still in good shape. It's brand new. So the story is, this transmission was rebuilt as it was slipping through all 4 gears. And then after it was built, it was ran low on fluid and that burnt up the 3/4 clutch pack. So the majority of these parts are brand new, but even though they're brand new, we're gonna take everything apart and clean it. Like, I could have just swapped that input drum or pulled that input drum and rebuilt that, thrown it back together and been done. We got everything out, we'll clean everything, we'll go through everything, we'll measure everything, and we'll make sure that everything is proper. But that is the teardown. Thank you for watching.